In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can solve complex mathematical problems using Microsoft Copilot. As you can see, I'm in Microsoft Copilot and I have here a question or a mathematical problem in form of an image, and I like Microsoft Copilot to go ahead and solve it. So if you have any complex mathematical problem, you can just go ahead and use Microsoft Copilot to be able to solve it. So my name is Isaac and this is a minute with AI. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking it and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, now the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and upload your mathematical problem here in Microsoft Copilot chatbot. If you don't have, you can just go ahead and copy and paste it here. However, for my case, it is in form of an image, so I'll go ahead and add the image here by tapping on this plus and then choose upload. And then it will take me on my desktop where I'll have to go ahead and choose the mathematical problem. And here we go. Now, once it has been uploaded, go ahead and ask Microsoft Copilot to go ahead and solve the two questions. As you can see, these are two questions. You are told using a ruler and a compass only, construct triangle ABC shown. And here it is. And then you're told to measure and state length AC and then angle BSC. So I'll go ahead and ask Microsoft Copilot. So here's what I've just asked: solve the problem using the details from the photo, showing a step-by-step process for each. So I'll go ahead and submit my request, and then Microsoft Copilot should be able to go ahead and give me the solution. So you'll have to be patient. As you can see, it is processing, and here we go. The response is in the process. And look at that, it has given us the length of AC as 4 centimeters and then angle BSC as 30 degrees. And as you can see, it has given here, using the information, we have the steps for construction. It gave us detail by detail steps to use while solving this problem. So it is good to go ahead and also just go through the process to ascertain that it is giving us accurate information, because some of these AI chatbots, sometimes they may make mistakes. They are not perfect. So that's how you can solve a mathematical problem, however complex it is, using Microsoft Copilot. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.